Bonus Christmas promotion is ready. Please pay attention to the description below. In this video, I'm gonna introduce this bonus wheel stud conversion. Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Christmas is coming. In addition to decorating your Christmas tree, don't forget to prepare something special for your car. They are a kind of special stud with both end thread, which convert your lug bolt fasten method to lug nut. Wheel stud conversion offers an easier way to align the wheel when mounting. They made it more fluid to change wheels and save much time for you. They threw the wheels, which provides a sporty and aggressive look. Then wheel stud conversion is compatible with both board and conical seat lug nut, which is suitable for most factory or aftermarket wheels. They usually come with longer thread stems. The lug nut thread length is capable to adjust to get proper fasten, which allows for the safe use of different thickness wheel spacers. You don't have to change to another set of extending wheel bolts. Bonus Forged Titanium is both wheel stud conversion adopt forged titanium alloy material. The titanium alloys are light in weight as well as very strong. They feature great fatigue strength and tensile strength, hot and high temperature resistance. The titanium exposed stud conversion has the TUV certification text. The product quality is reliable and safe. At present, Bonus Titanium wheel stud conversion has designed 3 colors, including titanium original color, nitrogen blue color, and coffee golden. Other colors coming soon. The wheel bolt and wheel stud are different. Wheel bolts are usually used on European-made cars. The bolts use a thread stem attached to a conical seat or boss seat that match the wheel holes. They go through the wheel holes, strand screwing into the hub. Fasten the wheel in the proper place. The wheel stud conversion can be used with spacers. Bonus 75mm stud conversion kit supports wheel spacer 20mm and below without requiring additional othering of extending bolts. After the stud conversion correctly locks the hub, the remaining stud conversion part is exposed, but the visual effect is affected by the depth of the hub bolt hole. And the shallow bolt hole will obtain a more aggressive lug exposing its appearance, and the visual effect is more obvious. If you want to buy this bonus wheel stud conversion, please pay attention to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.